This is not danger nor judgment. Then what could this be? Go get the priestess for me.
What did you see? This is not a spirit war. This is a correction. I think I know the one behind all these.
I know it was you.
You were not meant to exist.
I was chosen.
No, you are a mistake that learned to speak.
KD Nation Stories. Stay tuned.
You know those dark spirits are not like me.
I know.
They don't feel. They only correct. If I fully return, I may lose what I was.
Then become something new.